Hi, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. My name is Ida. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be on a New Year's Eve look using all the products I've gotten from e.l.f. so far and Laure Lee Los Angeles, in addition to two new products from e.l.f. The Primer-Infused Bronzer. I saw this and I wanted to try it, and also a new palette. It's called Earth Ocean. I thought the colors look really interesting. Let me take it out from here. So now let's begin. So I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow base, which I'm gonna use the 16-hour Camo Concealer from e.l.f. I'm going to need a mirror. I'll use the Nudie Patootie mirror. Such a good mirror. And then, can you guys believe how fast the year went? Now I'm gonna set it with my e.l.f. HD powder. I'm gonna use my pointed powder brush. Let's see how this look is gonna come out. Because last look, it definitely took a turn to the 80s. I want to do something dramatic because if I'm glamming up, I'm going out to a party. Alright, so I'm gonna use my crease brush by e.l.f. and I'm gonna do actually a transition shade. I'm gonna use Reveal from the Nudie Patootie. And I'm gonna go as close as I can to my eyebrow. I think I'm gonna do the whole eyelid with it. So now I'm going to use the palette, and I'm gonna use my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna use trenches. Let's go for this dark one right here. Let me see in my hand. I mean, I thought it was more pigmented, but it'll be okay. And I'm gonna apply it here in the outside corner. I mean, it's good, soft. And I'm going higher than my usual crease because I want my eye to look bigger. This eyeshadow is blending out nicely. I mean, it's not as dark as I thought it would be. Definitely could build it up. Now I'm gonna go with the same shade, the inner corner. I know it looks crazy again, but it'll make sense. I promise. Pretty cool. It's like, I like it. Alright, now to the other eye. Okay, here's what we got so far. And now I'm gonna add in the middle the Gold Rush. And I'm gonna use, as always, my finger. I hate when black shadow gets under your nail because you hit it by accident. Ooh, that looks bright. Whoa, okay, let's do this. Ooh, nice. Now I'm gonna go with my brush, the black one, just gonna blend in the edges. Wow, that is incredible. I love this color. Oh yeah, hello 2020. Talking about gold, this is really gold. See, it's like I can't stop putting it on. It's so good. Come on, more and more and more. And now with my crease brush, I'm going to just blend in the edges. You see any fallout? Not really. Go e.l.f. Cool. Time for eyebrows. And I'm gonna use, as always, my e.l.f. Lock-in Liner and Brow Cream in medium brown. Alright, so now I'm gonna do my primer, which is the Hydrating Face Primer. While that's drying, I'm gonna do the under eye shadow with the same eyeshadow brush. Let's try these from the palette. Mojo Mommy. Mojo. I'm not sure what it says, but I know I'm butchering the name, but it's Mojave Mommy. And I'm gonna use the trenches again on the outer side. I don't know if I'm gonna do a liner yet. I don't want to do an extreme liner for my eye because I think the look is already dramatic enough. So I'm gonna do probably like just a little wing so I could hide the band of the eyelashes. And I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner, the brush tip. Just going for the full wing. Alright, so this is my wing. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So now I'm going to put mascara, and I'm gonna use the waterproof Length and Volume Mascara by e.l.f. I really like this mascara a lot. For some reason I always do my lashes last. So I'm going to leave it for last. Let's just move on with the face. Okay, now I'm ready for my foundation and my face is all prepped up. I'm gonna use e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation in the color Sand. Okay, now I'm going to do my concealer, the same one. Just so you know, this is the Tan Walnut. So it's, you know, a little heart. So I don't want to go all the way up to the lower eyeshadow, because then it'll disappear. Go on there. Alright, so now I'm gonna set my face with my HD powder by e.l.f. This is what's cool about e.l.f. It tells you to pour it here, and it's such a fine powder. So you gotta be careful when you pour it. Here, my forehead. So what are your New Year's resolutions, guys? Oof, I have so many goals, actually, not resolutions. Things that I want to achieve. I feel like when you call it goals, you actually get things done than when you say New Year's resolution. Like, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people don't take that serious anymore. It's different. Your brain kind of engages in a different way that makes you go through it and get it done. For me, one of my top goals is to research and look more into vegan products and beauty. Makeup is something I always loved, so now it has become with more of a purpose. It has a focus just to be vegan, cruelty-free makeup. So I'm excited for that. That's one of my goals. Second goal is just to organize myself better. This is my first time doing YouTube, so I need to come up with a system that works for me right now. Alright, so now I'm going to warm up my face and I'm going to use this new product. It's the Primer-Infused Bronzer Forever Sunkissed, it's called. I use my bronzing brush by e.l.f. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh wow, I think this is one of my favorites. The other ones were good, but I don't know, something the way this blends and looks more natural to me. I think I just discovered another favorite. These baby hairs are crazy. Maybe in a few months or in a month I'll be able to have bangs. Alright, let's continue. Focus. And I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna contour my nose with this one too. I always do like a faint line. I don't do anything crazy. I just do it very lightly. And it gives it depth, you know. I'm not completely changing. It just gives it a little more depth. Everywhere I go, I must take it with me. Alright, now we're gonna do blush. And I'm gonna use the one I used in my last video, the e.l.f. And this is the Always Cheeky blush. I like this one, it's a very nice color. I'm using my e.l.f. blush brush. Apples on my cheeks. And now we're gonna do highlight, which is my favorite part. And I'm gonna use Laure Lee palette, Diamonds. And I'm gonna use my Morphe E48 synthetic brush. They're all synthetic brushes, just so you know. I was lucky. I went through all my brushes and lucky enough, a lot of them were synthetic. I like Diamonds. It's like a little subtle, but also like nice and sheen. I like this one a lot. Alright, so now I'm gonna add in my inner corner Diamonds. So now I'm gonna pop these lashes on. Last time I used the wing and polish. This time I'm using the wing and bold. I might need to cut these. Definitely nice lashes. Ooh, these are awesome. I love these lashes. These lashes are great. Definitely recommend them. I love how they look. Definitely with this look, nice. All right. So now for my lips, I'm gonna do the Laure Lee Los Angeles Matte Liquid Lipstick in Jaybird. As I mentioned in my other video that I review Laure Lee lipsticks, these are amazing. They're so easy to put on, and once they dry, they dry. A similar shade you know I use in e.l.f. I have is the Praline. matte liquid lipstick. That one is a really good one. It's very similar to this color. All right, so we're ready to go out. But one more step. The Dewy Setting Mist by e.l.f. Ooh. And once again, with the sponge, I just dab on the bigger droplets that came out of the spray, just to blend it in. You know what I forgot? To do my lower lashes. I think the new products I tried today were the palette and the bronzer, and I love both things. I'm really happy I got these. These are amazing. Look at that color. Look at that gold. So I have to finish this video with my phone camera. My regular camera battery died. So I just quickly wanted to say that I wish you all a happy new year, happy 2020, a very successful one with lots of happiness and health for you and your family. I hope you guys meet all the goals you guys set out to, and I will see you guys next year with a lot more videos on vegan beauty and lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to let you know when my next video on vegan beauty is up. Thank you so much for watching. See you next year. Bye. Can't stop adding it. I need to stop. No, don't stop. Keep going. Yep. Holy moly. It went flying. Panda. Panda, panda, panda. We're more like Raccoon Bandit.